is up, Web3 crew? Chris Tumun's right here, live at the Crossroads, Istanbul for Solana Day 2. And I am with Mr. Vasily of GetBlock, and he's the CEO of the company. How are you today?
I feel very well, yeah. Yesterday I was a bit tired because it was the very first day of the conference, but today is much better.
How's the event so far?
It's amazing because it's truly builder atmosphere, builder community, a lot of technical guys, which is definitely foundation of any industry, and for Solana for sure.
Is this your first time to attend Solana Crossroads?
Yes, indeed. This is the very first time for me to be at Solana Crossroads, but not the very first time on Web3 conference for sure.
Of course. Now, let's talk about GetBlock and how did it start?
So GetBlock is a 5 years old company. Now it's a 60 people company. It started like 5 years ago, beginning of like how finance make adoption to Web3 to crypto, and we start providing RPC nodes for any financial institution, and this is our core business so far. Because we are a Web3 infrastructure company, we can survive in any market, in bullish market and bear market, because like we provide infrastructure for any project which just started or like they living for a long time. And what is best for us, like we can work with any type of company in Web3, like for wallets, for exchanges, for GameFi, for analytics company, because we're providing infrastructure for them, something that I believe needs for any company that develop smart contracts and get data from blockchain.
Awesome. So what makes GetBlock stand out from all the competitors, if you guys have any competitors around?
This is a very good question, because infrastructure industry in Web3 is very overcrowded, because like it has a little bit less barrier to enter to this market. However, what stands out us from the major players in this industry, because we're truly flexible and we can do any custom solution for wide range of customers, and we have major players in our customer list like Binance, Trust Wallet, Mesari, and many other companies. And what we believe they keep a partnership with us, because we can do exactly what they want. Like we are not like narrow service list, and like we can do step left or right, and we can do much more everything.
After Solana Crossroads, what's next with GetBlock? Where are you heading to next? Any upcoming events?
Of course, yeah, like just after this event, there will be a token 2049 in Dubai. We have planned to visit Singapore very soon, and in Argentina there will be Dev Connect, which is truly great event.
I have mandatory questions for you. What do you think is the future of money?
This is a very good question, and I believe, yeah, of course, money is the main use case as for now for Web3, but money is like a blood for any organism, and there is much more other organs in any organism, and of course, money will be blood to incentivize all players and human players and also AI agents in this industry. And future will be that everything will be built on top of money, but money will not be only use case in Web3. This will be just core function, and that's all.
And thank you so much. And now describe Solana Crossroads in 3 words. Let's go.
Open, builder-oriented, and beautiful.
Thank you so much. There you have it. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Chris Tumun's, and please do follow GetBlock as well on all the social media platforms if they have it. This is me, Chris Tumun's. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.